Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to talk about the latest software update Android 12 in the iQOO Z5 size and features in this device. Yes friends, finally today I did receive the Android 12 update in the iQOO Z5. Still in the iQOO 7 I did not get any kind of update. Yes friends, still I did not get any update in the iQOO 7. iQOO 7 was able to receive the Android 12 update long back, but still I did not get. But in the iQOO Z5 I was able to get this Android 12 update, as you can clearly see. So right now the Android 12 update size is exactly 5 GB size, yes, which is really very huge size. I would say 5 GB size. So right now let me to download, and meanwhile I'll try to go through all the options and all the features what it got included in the iQOO Z5. So iQOO Z5 started to receive this update I think couple of days back. I am getting a lot of messages, but today my unit got the update. So maybe they might be sending the batch wise this kind of updates. So first thing is that it has been updated to the Android 12, so which brings you the new experience with the improved system security and the performance. I need to test the performance as soon as possible once after the update. Next is added the safety and the emergency feature to better handle unexpected situations. Added the extra dim mode to provide more comfortable visual experience in extremely dark environment. Not bad. So there might be some kind of dim mode has been added. So next is added the feature in which connected the Wi-Fi networks can be shared to nearby sharing. Not bad. System optimize the vibration effects of linear motors to provide a more immersive vibration experience. Yes, this is what is missing in this device friends, in the iQOO Z5. While gaming I'm getting really good haptic feedback, but while I'm typing I'm not getting any haptic feedback. Like it's very small haptic feedback. So maybe that problem should be completely fixed. Maybe it got optimized. That is what I'm expecting in this kind of haptic feedback segment, because I did like this haptic feedback in this phone. Like while gaming I can actually experience 4D vibration, but while typing not even 1D I can experience in this device, nothing at all. So next thing about the security and the privacy things, added the feature in which you can decide whether to allow the access to camera and the microphone through a privacy switch. Yes, so these are the features and privacy settings which we already came across in other Android 12 update mobile phones which are used before. So added the feature in which approximate location is given to apps instead of precise location. That's also available. And next is if the application uses the microphone and the camera, you will know if any apps are using your microphone and camera through the mic and camera icon on display on the status bar. That's something every time if you try to use a camera or a mic, there will be small green color indication on the top which says something is utilizing the mic or camera. Added the privacy to the settings. You can see how apps have access the location, camera, microphone for the past 24 hours and directly manage the app permission. That's also fantastic friends. So these are the few things which got added in the iQOO Z5's latest Android 12 update. Finally iQOO Z5 did receive the Android 12 update, which I'm waiting for a long time. And iQOO 7 I'm waiting so much long time, till I did not get any update. I'm not sure when we'll be getting. So is iQOO 7. That's pretty sad news. Some of the users they got the update. Even the December security patch, some of the users did receive. Even I did not receive any December security patch. There is no information about Android 12 update, FunTouch 12 update, nothing at all. So I'm not sure when I'll be getting in this device anyway. So this is friends, thank you for watching this. A quick details about the iQOO Z5's latest update. And after using this update for a couple of days, I'll try to review it. Is there any problems or not? So make sure to let me know in the comment section below how many of the users did receive this update today. So starting today, so maybe the date is about 30th of December. Let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off friends, until and stay tuned for more updates. Bye.